Everybody, I'm already here in my farm, and we have to check out for my friend, my phoenix. If we can talk to me right now, how are you doing? And of course, I'm already here. This my phoenix is already in a newly built house. This is only 150 pesos, and of course, I will talk to him as you requested me to do it because my chicken is really amazing. It's bloody amazing. Hello, my phoenix. How are you? How are you doing? Are you ready for our back-to-back interview for you? And I will tour you around because I have another chicken in this beautiful newly built house. I just bought it for only 150 also. So there you go. I have three chicken. This is the one we have. Other chicken right there is eagle. We have one eagle. We have two what we call phoenix. So I will talk to them. There you go. And they are also eating with my vitamins. This is what we call King's Vita Plus Animal Feed Supplement. You know what I'm telling you? If I can, I will talk to them. They will respond to me in their own language. So all we need to do is just to follow me when I say tok 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 pokak. I'm not telling you not to jump. They're jumping right now because they are very joyful. Especially when I visit them in their hometown, they are very grateful. So they are jumping like this. I will tell you if I say pok, 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 pokak, and they will respond. They have three of them, the two phoenix and two eagle. Okay, so they're using this with electrolytes, with multivitamins and minerals because this is very important for all of the chicken. So I will tell you, just hear it. This is going to be amazing. Talk to me. Why are you jumping like you're not a grasshopper? Don't jump. Talk to me. Oh, they're not in mode. Actually, right now they have mode swing. All chicken have also mode swing. So that's the reason why they are not responding to me right now. I can go near to them.